So here's the bigger picture of our closet space. We've got just piles and piles of board games, kids' toys that are stacked on some current shelves. We're going to take advantage of the back wall here so that we can go ahead and add some more storage. And so to do so, these L brackets are going to be used to support the shelving that we're adding. And we're just going with some economy grade white laminated particle board, 3/4 inch thick, 15 inches wide. So with these L brackets being 12 inches long, they provide about 75% coverage underneath the shelves here, which is perfect. That's generally the recommendation provided, is to cover at least 75% of your shelf length with the L bracket. Here's a quick look at the tools that we're going to be using to install these brackets. We've got a power screwdriver, power drill, a level, pencil, tape measure, and then optional, we've got some anchors here for the wall. So if on the wall we're not drilling into any studs, we'll be using these drywall anchors to help provide more support for the shelves. So what I'm doing is just kind of leveling out where my shelves are going to go, just making marks on the walls. I've got stud locations marked vertically kind of throughout the space here, and then I'm making horizontal lines for the level of the shelves. So in spots where I don't have a stud in place, what I like to do is just go ahead and make some markings on the wall where my 2 screw holes are going to go. And then just double check that those are plumb with each other. And I'm going to be using drywall anchors, so I'm going to just do a quick pre-drill. Screw these brackets in. And for these, I'm using the screws that came with the drywall anchors. And so for the brackets that can go directly into a stud, I just use the provided wood screws here. Then I always like just to double check, put my level across the brackets, and we've got a good, nice level reading here. And since I'm using 3/4 inch particle board shelves here, I don't want the spans between brackets to go too far apart, so I'm keeping it around 20 inches apart from each other, so 4 brackets per 6-foot shelf. All right, got all 16 brackets installed here. It took about an hour. They went actually really quickly. It's only 2 screws to get them installed onto the walls, and then we'll have 2 more for the shelves. Hardest part was just measuring and getting things level, but pretty simple if you know how to use a tape measure and a level. All right, now that the brackets are all installed, I'm gonna go ahead and get the shelves installed. You can see how easy these just slide on, and then it's just a matter of putting a couple screws in to secure them onto the bracket. The brackets themselves, you can see, supporting it nicely. I'll go ahead and put those screws into the brackets there to secure the wood in place. So this part's really easy. We just take the short screws provided and screw them into the holes here. All right, we've got the shelves fully installed now in our closet space here. It's going to give us a ton of extra storage space, and we've got confidence that these brackets are going to hold as much as we need them to here in this closet. And even though this is a closet space and we're not really too concerned about the looks, the brackets themselves look nice. They match the white finish of our laminate shelves that we've installed. So just a quick final look after these brackets and shelves are installed. We have got them loaded up. Brackets are holding the weight nicely, frees up a lot of space in our closet here, just makes everything easier to access.